Mast O Khiar Yes, another episode of the Gigi Show, and we are bringing to you a new recipe. Mast O Khiar. Mast O Khiar is a cold yogurt soup with cucumber and spring onion, and it works really well in hot weather, which we have all the time here in Singapore. I wasn't aware of this recipe before I met Arash, but seems like he knows it very well. He likes to eat it all the time, so that's what we do, and we'll show you how to make it. And these are the ingredients we need for this: natural yogurt, salt, pepper, spring onion, cucumber, some walnuts, and this is wild mint.
And this is how you make the Mast O Khiar. Firstly, you need to cut the cucumber into small pieces. And Arash has a really cool way of doing that, as you can see. Once the whole cucumber is chopped up into small pieces, well, almost the whole cucumber, you can move on to the next ingredient, which is the spring onions. These need to be chopped as well, and we're using 3 spring onions here, and this recipe is good for about 2 people. Add a handful of walnuts to the mix and make sure you break them up into small pieces. The next ingredient is dried wild mint, some pepper, and some salt. These are 400 grams of natural yogurt. And because this mix is usually a bit too thick, we are adding a bit of water. So these are approximately 50 to 100 milliliters of water, depending on how thin you would like the soup to be. And then stir all the ingredients together until everything's combined and you have a nice yogurt soup.
Here we have the finished product: the cold yogurt and cucumber soup.